Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Chonky Pikachu. So let's get started. To draw this cute chubby Pikachu, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide, so say about right here, and draw another circle. There, so now my two circles in, I'm just going to come in here and put in a highlight right about here and shade everything else in. Decided to leave out the draw so cute eyes today so that we're more true to this chunky Pikachu. So same thing over here. Okay, so now the two circles, two eyes in. I'm going to come in between the eyes, so right about the center, about right here, and we're just going to draw this tiny little nose. So like a little filled out triangle. And then from there, we're going to come straight down to say about right here. Give myself a point, and we're going to wobble. We're going to curve down and draw this wave for the mouth. There. And so now that we have that, oh, let me come back in here and stick it up. And so now that we have that, let's go ahead and, oh, we need to draw the cheeks. So, oh, you know what? Let's do that later because we need to figure out the head first. Sorry. So let's come back to the center of our eye. So approximately like about right here. And I'm going to go out a little bit wider. So let's say about right here, because I need to draw a curve over for the head. So same thing, oops, on the other side, about right here, approximate. And then we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve. About right there, not too high. Nice and round. And come right back down. There, so at the top of Pikachu's head now. Then we're going to bring this down. Just remember everything is nice and round and wider. So let's say about right there. Then we're going to come down. And so now that we have this big curve in, we can go ahead. Now we're past the mouth. So about right here, I'm just going to kind of dip in a little bit and then come right back out so that we can separate the head from the body. So dip in and then come right back out. There. So before I finish all of that, now let's come back and draw the cheeks. So we want it in this area right here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval, an angle, and put it right about here. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So approximately about right here. There, so two cheeks in. Then of course we need to draw the ears. So let's pop them up about right here. So I'm going to come out, just easier for my hand. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just bring in a curve all the way down. And then we're going to round off the tip and bring it in. There. And then of course right here, we're going to put in the curve for the tip. And so let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag these points across so they're approximately the same area. So once again, just going to try to make them about the same height. So just drag this across. About right here, I guess, maybe. And then round off the tip. And bring it all the way back to my point. There. And then once again, a curve right here. There. Now it's starting to look like Pikachu, right? So then from there, we're going to go ahead and finish up the body. So I'm just going to go out both sides. And then we're just going to make it nice and chubby. So we're going to start to bring it in about right here. And come in. So at the bottom right here, I'm going to round it off and then kind of wobble towards the center and then come back out for the other side. There. Just trying to simplify it. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the feet. So right about here, right underneath the eyes, I'm gonna say about right here, and just bring it in. And then put in two little stripes right there. So same thing on the other side, about right here. There, we have the feet. Then for the arms, let's come about right here underneath these cheeks. And I'm going to start about right here. And I'm just going to bring it down. And then zigzag. 3 little fingers and then bring it up. And as we come up, it's going to be a little bit wider. There. And so same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this point across to approximately right about here. And same thing. There. Okay, so now we have that. Then let's go ahead and draw the tail. So I'm just going to show a part of the tail because this Pikachu is very chubby. So it should make sense to block most of its tail, right? So we come about right here. But I felt we should draw the tail. And I'm just going to put in one step and then bring it in. There. And last but not least, we need to give Pikachu a heart. So I'm going to put it right here to make this my Draw So Cute Chunky Pikachu. I really hope you love this drawing and I helped you draw fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.